Now in the type where you have distributive property on both sides of the equal sign, first thing we're going to need to do is distribute into both sides. Then we're going to add and subtract where needed, and then multiply and divide where needed. So we'll do the 3 into the first set of brackets, and the 4 into the set of brackets on the right. We'll add or subtract where needed, multiply and divide last. So symbolically it looks like this. 3x plus 4 is equal to 4x plus 4. We will distribute the 3 into the first set of brackets to give us 3x plus 12, and we will distribute the 4 into the second set of brackets to give us 4x plus 16. Keep in mind, there's a 1 here, so we go 3 times 1 to get 3x. There's a 1 here, so we go 4 times 1 to get 4x. Now when you're looking at this, it's hard for some people to figure out which side do the x's need to be on. If the answer happened to be x equals 7 or 7 equals x, it doesn't really matter. So what's recommended is you keep the positive x, the positive highest x, alone, and you move the other one over. So when we're doing that, that means we're going to be leaving this 4x on the right-hand side. We could move this over here, and we could say minus 4x here. That would cancel out. Minus 4x here, but then we'd be left with the negative x, and we don't want that. So we're going to move this 3x to this side. So if the x's are going to be on the right-hand side, let's get rid of this positive 16 first. So opposite of a positive 16 is a negative 16, so we'll do that to both sides. This will cancel out. It will leave us with 4x. This here will give us 4, and we're still left with the 3x here. So now let's move this 3x over. As long as we're moving the entire term, the 3 and the x, we can add and subtract that. Even though this is a multiplication question, we're actually moving the entire value, the entire quantity. So we can just subtract 3x from this side, and then subtract 3x from that side, and nothing changes. 3x minus 3x is 0. We'll be left with negative 4 on this side, and that will be equal to 4x minus 3x, which is 1x. So we'll be left with 1x is equal to negative 4. And our answer is x equals negative 4.